happening, guys? Welcome back to Louis Dutton Vlogs. So basically, guys, today I've got something really fun we're doing. It's actually a Tuesday at the minute, but we're going to be heading off practicing with Elliot again. We're going to be heading out to Milton Hall, but the real name of it is called Motor Park. So yeah, really excited to go there. The weather looks awesome today. Apparently it's supposed to be quite cloudy but really hot. So that's quite good, as I am a weatherman, as some of you have been commenting down because I keep talking about the weather. Let's forget about that. But guys, I think you guys should check out this 151's great brand. If you do want any Under Armour, check them out. They're really good. So yeah, just about to load the bikes up into the van now with Elliot. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Right, so Elliot has just got here now, just loading all the stuff into the back of the van. Just loading everything up now into the back of the van. It's really exciting. The weather's really good so far, so yeah, it's gonna be a good day.
Where are you? Where are you? You can never walk alone on your way to being free. Where are you?
7 million.
Where
Right,
are
so
you?
we're in the petrol station right now. We're just filling up the petrol for the bikes. So yeah.
Where are you? You can never walk alone.
Just 1, 2, please.
Where are you? You can never walk alone on your way to being free. Where are you? Where are you? You can never walk alone on your way to being free.
Just got here and the 85s are just heading out, so I won't make the first session. But we've just got Elliot's bike out of the van. It's taken a long time to get out, so yeah. So you have been telling me a long time to get my GoPro onto my helmet. So today, hopefully, I'll be able to use my GoPro. And the minute I do not know what gear I should wear. Wait, let me show you. I might just end out wearing my old actually not my old gear. Not my old gear. Elliot's old gear, so I'll probably wear this. Just been to the toilets. Let's have a look at the track. I think it's actually quite busy really, because it is actually a school day, so see who's out there. Wood. Rightio guys, I'm wearing this gear. It's the 40th edition since 1976. Troy Lee, no, Arms Alpha gear. Guys, and tell me if you're preferring these vlogs on a Wednesday, because it's a bit more vlogging really. But soon we're going to be doing a video, me and Elliot, with training, like with starts, corner techniques, and stuff like that really. Let me get my top. Yes. I'll kit it up and ready, sort of. Just need to get my body on. But I'll get that on before I go out and get my boots on later. Just go and get my shoes on. And guys, see if you can hit a like ratio of 500 likes. If you can, that would be awesome if you could hit that. I've never set a like ratio, so let's hit on today for my first one. So we get 500 likes. Do a fashion show. Right guys, so I'm just about to head out for my first session. I'm going to be putting some GoPro on for this session, then Alex will be using his camera, so yeah. Come on! Oh! Okay, so after that, I think I was riding alright. It's actually really wet out there, like some places. There's some it's like bone dry, then it's dusty. So the trail is actually in quite good condition. Yeah, I didn't think I rode that well, but I'm actually really tired because I've had quite busy past few days. That's why, and that's why I've got a Red Bull here, just to keep me awake a bit more. So yeah.
Especially on like the lanes that we.
Yeah. So guys, just about to head out now for my third session. Going to be putting on the GoPro Hero 5 session. Right guys, so after that session, I'm getting a lot more faster, I feel like. I think I've got some good GoPro footage from that session, so hopefully it looks right. Track is actually getting better condition every lap. I feel like I'm improving every single lap I go out there, so, and every session. So just about to head out now for my fourth session. Right, so the time I'm editing this video, I did forget to say about the first session, but in that session, I was getting a lot more faster. I felt more confidence on the bike. As you did see, I was hitting the corners a lot more fast, and yeah, just really riding a lot more better. So this is while I'm editing the video, so let's go back to the video. on, you're with me! So guys, so we've just loaded up now the van, but after that session I feel like I'm getting a lot more faster now. Feel faster on the bike, just everything, it just feels a lot more nicer to ride. I think I sorted out the bar problem this time, so that's always good. Just been to the Waffle Shack after a good deserved ride. Okay guys, we're back at the race base now. I've had an awesome day riding with EBB number 44 today, and Louis Toombs as well, number 66. So we've had a sick day with riding with them. I've really picked up my pace now. I'm riding a lot more better. So we've got a lot more vlogs coming up soon. Tomorrow I'm out again filming another video at Motocross race, filming Elliot. So get ready for that vlog. And yeah, remember to like, share and subscribe. And guys, keep ripping your bikes.